Are you in the market for upgrading your current lamppost? Well, look no further. This one is one that I just recently installed at my house, and I can't tell you enough how good this product is. Really simple to install, packaged very well, and the quality of it is a better quality lamppost light. So we could break it down. It's about 16 inches from top to bottom. It wires in hardwire into your lamppost electricity that you already have out there. There is one solo socket in there to put a light bulb. Usually I use a 40 or 60 watt warm light, so that way it's not that bright at night. You could remove the top by 2 screws on the left and right side, and you do have this really nice rain style glass all the way around. Now this lamppost is on a dusk till dawn, so let me show you what this light is like lit up. And just like that, it is a perfect addition for the outside of my house. Go out, grab your lamppost light today. You're not going to be disappointed. Thanks again for watching, and good luck for your purchase.